How to connect the room air conditioner to Smartthings on your Android phone. First, make sure your air conditioner and Wi-Fi router being connected to the power. Connect your phone to a Wi-Fi network and open Smartthings. Tap the plus button and select Add Device on Home View. Select air conditioner and room air conditioner in order. Tap the Start button. Select your preferred location and room for the air conditioner. Press and hold the timer button on the remote control until the air conditioner icon appears in the app. It may take some time to connect the device to the internet. Press the power button on the air conditioner. Enter the Wi-Fi information to make the two are connected. Please wait until the air conditioner is registered with your Samsung account. The registration is complete. Set the name of the air conditioner.